All right, another update on the pickup. So I got the head off. It's in rough shape. It's pretty rusty. The cooling pathways are all plugged full of rust and mouse poop and stuff. Anyway, it's off. So that's good. Get the side cover off. I've got the my light died. Wonderful. Anyway, got the old transmission fluid in the cylinders, trying to free it up. Too bad I don't have a light that works. Anyway, so cylinder number 3 is scored pretty bad. But other than much other debris inside the cylinders, it's actually pretty clean. There's no ridge or anything on the cylinder walls. Everything looks pretty half decent. It's pretty rusty down here where the side cover was sitting. I assume it's from all the condensation right on the inside. Yeah, so looks like it's coming out. And yeah, so I got the inspection cover off on the inside the floor tonight. That was pretty good. Only had to cut off 2 screws, I think, which is just amazeballs. Fooled around the box a bit. The fenders were all pushed out in the front here. You can still kind of see how this one's all pushed out. And the box is sort of sitting pretty low. It's supposed to be up probably 2.5 inches from where it is. Use these kind of wooden blocks that are, gone. Just fooling around that a little bit, try and get it to look right, see how much work that might be. Yeah, but it's time to quit for this evening. So, if you have a 235 that you're, not using, be interested. Thanks.